cha ngawan ra shapi ya kane ka video ka ba ki wei ki jetan riu kilasdang ban pyrshang ban kren ya kane ka ktien khasi ka Jongi but ngilas yu sarong ba akbang yus ngeo but yo ban pa yakup kine ki jai video hang ne akan ka video kia keren sau teli ki jai ktien mut ka penengkong ka dei ka English ka baar ka dei ka Arabic terbalai ka dei ka Nepali ka basau ka dei ka ktien khasi Jongi nak ta ka daw ngong ya phi ba ngi siao sarong ka bangin yo siao ba ki wei ki jai penriu lane ki wei ki riru kilasdang ban ya pyrshang ban kren ya kane ka ktien khasi ki Jongi ha kane ka video sa peit ya kane ka video ka jonga hadu benda kut bat ha ka bakut jong kane ka video ka don wei ba pyrshang ya ka jing kren ya ka kane ka ktien khasi ki Jongi kila ong hana padai ha upra kila yak perta ha upra ha ka bakut topik ya kane ka video jonga kana mo pipit kana mo pinyo I ya kane ka jing perta pra jong u ha bakut jong kane ka video mo pai hadu pendakut kane ka video kana mo pin tip ya ka bagi ya keren
not fee P people you don't see P
She's pronouncing like phone.
P le ayu say once again
Pile ayu.
not fee people P for potato
Pile ayu.
yes correct now in Arabic how do you say what are you doing بتعمل في شنو right in Arabic we say
بتعمل في شنو?
yeah that is Arabic in Nepal
In Nepali, if we want to say in respectful manner, it's के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
say slowly
के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
के गर्दै हुन्छ
के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ?
okay so now we learn it P le ayu guys this is what are you doing guys so let's go to the next one
What time is it?
Start.
Katno baje. Katno baje.
No budget. Okay so say pronounce the second one
قد no budget means
you
कट्नो
wait
बजे
you?
قد no كجي ما الوقت in Arabic we are saying
no
ما الوقت
not in Arabic just pronounce in Kazakh
قد ne baju
you
कट्नो बजे
once we are giving you last chance
قد ne قد no baju
Thank you. Your Lord is
you-
Katno Baje.
no
Katno Baje. So we say yours?
In my language,
No.
कट्नो बजे
Yeah, same. Katno Baje.
قد no baju
Ah,
yeah قد no baju
okay. What time is it? In Arabic we say Ma al-waqt. Ma al-waqt. Ma is like what? Al-waqt is like time. So in Nepal,
In Nepal, in shortcut form is similar. कति बजे?
Kati Baje.
कति बजे? Is कट्नो means in
Yeah,
our
no,
कति.
it's little similar.
It's little similar and
Hmm.
in other form it's like समय कति समय भयो? अहिलेको समय कति भयो?
Just say it. What time is it? One word. Don't
We
confuse them.
have so many.
Give the main and
We
popular
have
one.
so कति बज्यो?
That is
कति
it.
बज्यो?
Don't confuse them,
What
okay?
one is, if I start to learn Nepal language, I will catch cough. I will go to hospital. This one is so difficult. Like the pronunciation, the
But it's little
sound.
similar now. Here they say
Only in this word.
in this word of Khasi, Katno Baje.
Baje means time.
Baje.
It's similar to our language. Baje is time in our language.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Hey,
We're doing this.
Catch it.
Pisa sha a.
Pisa,
Pisa sha a.
Pisa, Sha, A. Okay.
It's very simple. Where do you live?
live.
Pizza, sha, simple.
Oh, you made it this time.
Fee or fee, I don't know.
Fee.
Fee.
P.
pyrshang.
No.
P-sa-sha-e.
Sa-a.
No, hey,
Yeah.
hey.
Pyrshang.
P-sa-sha-e. Yeah, that is the correct one. Yeah, where do you live? P-sa-sha-e. That is it.
Where have you been? It's pyrshang.
How do you say it in Nepal? Where do you live?
Hazur, where do you live? In respectful manner is हजुर कता बस्नुहुन्छ?
Slowly.
हजुर कता बस्नुहुन्छ?
In Arabic?
Where do you live? أين تعيش?
Aina teish in Arabic, guys. Actually, we are telling you guys in Arabic because if you go to most of the Arab countries, guys, you will find out that they speak Arabic. Like in my country also, like I'm from South Sudan and it's from Sudan. In Sudan, it's a Muslim country. And South Sudan is now a Christian country. So, but in my Christian country, still we speak Arabic because we have been one country before, guys. And still in my country, Arabic is the second language and English is the first language. And in Sudan is what?
Yeah, Arabic is a mother tongue.
Which is the first language? Arabic
And then
English.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just the opposite of ours, guys. Let's go to the next one. We are going to where have you been?
A. Where have you been? Pyrshang. Pyrshang.
You?
Where have you been? Pyrshang.
Pyrshang.
Not P. P.
You only have problem with P.
I'm pronouncing H also.
Okay. P-ja-sha-a. Okay. The next one is where are you going?
So how do you say it in Nepal?
In Nepal, P-ja-sha-a.
Where have you been?
Where have you been?
हजुर कता हुनुहुन्थ्यो? कता हुनुहुन्थ्यो हजुर? हजुर कता हुनुहुन्थ्यो? हजुर कता हुनुहुन्थ्यो?
You know, I was thinking khasi is difficult, but your language is the difficult one. It's
No,
more
we
difficult than
have
khasi.
so many ways of saying. I'm saying in my own words because
Okay.
in Nepal also they speak like
Where have you
different type of
Where
Nepal.
have you been? In Arabic?
When kunta?
When enter or when kunta?
Very simple.
Very simple.
Telugu.
When kunta? When?
Enta means Telugu language.
Where have you been?
Try before
Listening.
try to.
Where have you been? Where have you
Fin
been?
let sai.
Let me try.
Pin.
My turn. Pinlet chae.
You?
Fin let sai.
You just copy now.
No.
Pin.
I've
Let.
said before.
Yeah. I think we don't need to listen to her now. It's becoming now. But see the difference between where is like P.
N.
Is fee. See where fee and pin. What is the difference?
Here N. Here you don't have N.
And no n.
Yes.
Then it's still in English where.
Yeah.
They told what is P? Where P? Right?
Yeah.
It's a little confusing here because
No. You is fi.
P.
You.
No. What?
What is me?
I think sai is where.
P is you.
Hmm.
You is you.
I think sai is where.
Huh?
P. Like
Sai.
it's
What time is it?
I think sai is where.
Okay, let's go. Let's continue, guys. It's a little confusing.
Where
But
are
khasi
you
is-
going?
It's little simple.
Pyrshang.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, guys, so we don't want to make the video long, and for sure it might be boring for other people. So it's our first time. We want to see, guys, if you really love it, so that we'll go for the part 2 of this video. So far we are done with some basic words from khasi. So we want to know, what did you guys learn? So we'll start with Mohit without cheating.
basically I learned like where do you live, which means P sai shae. Abi
P,
sai shae.
and you?
Katno baje. Because it's similar to my language. That's why.
What does it mean? Katno budget.
What time is it?
Okay, so I also learned P, le, a, you. It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? I know so many words. Okay, just tell any words from Magali. Apart from today.
Jingate.
Jingate, meaning?
Love.
Love you.
Wait. Oprah.
I think he
Jado,
won.
Jado.
I think he won.
Jado.
I think he won. He's a big fan of PPP, guys. So, congrats. Say congrats. Support him. Thank you so much. Let's see him, Jonga, guys. This is part one. Okay,
If you
this
like
is part one.
Share.
We are going for part two, guys. Share this video to all the Khasi friends, guys.
All your people.
And I think this video is very unique for you guys. I don't know if any other foreigners have